A month after we shot the following footage, Hurricane Helene came through and devastated the entire area. Our hearts and prayers go out to those that were affected, and the owner and staff of CARO-Mi Dining Room are in our thoughts and prayers as well. When I was first approached about being an American Dream TV host, immediately I thought about Tryon, North Carolina. Went to kindergarten here, grew up knowing Morris, the Tryon horse. My name is LeAnne Carswell, and I'm your host for this episode of American Dream TV. Tryon was established in 1885 at the height of the American Railroad expansion. It was named after William Tryon, who served as governor of North Carolina from 1764 to 1771. Downtown Tryon is full of culture and showcases the lifestyle here. Tryon is located on the first peak of the Blue Ridge Mountains. There's a large equestrian presence in this town, and Tryon used to serve as the training grounds for the U.S. Olympic equestrian teams. Other popular places to visit in Tryon are the Tryon Fine Arts Center and the Tryon Little Theater. There's also several boutiques and shopping and some really cool places to eat in Tryon. Morris, the Tryon horse, was named the town symbol in 1928. Now I want to take you to one of my favorite places. I've been going there literally my whole life. Let's go check out CARO-Mi Dining Room. My favorite meal here is the rainbow trout by far. I have wonderful memories of being a little girl here and feeding the ducks. Well, the ducks are gone, but we are now teaching or taught our son, who's now 18, to leaf race, so hopefully he'll carry that on. This place is wonderful for family traditions, just like mine. I hope that you will be able to bring your family here and create those traditions as well. But let's go inside and talk to the owner and see what he's got to say. We are here today at CARO-Mi Dining Room with Dane Stafford, the owner. Thanks for having us, Dane.
Thanks for having me.
Tell me about the history of CARO-Mi.
So the Mahaffey family started the business back in the mid-40s.
Okay.
They came up from Miami, Florida, and that's where the name CARO-Mi came from, Carolina and Miami.
Makes sense. Okay. And how did your family come to own CARO-Mi?
So my parents bought the business in 1990, and so we have been here for 34 years now.
Okay.
It was kind of a dream of my dad's dream to own a restaurant. He'd been in the restaurant business and food industry throughout his life, so he got to fulfill that dream.
Okay, wonderful. Tell me about what's the thing that's ordered the most here.
The country ham is still number one. It's the rainbow trout's a close second now. So
my favorite.
Yeah.
That's my favorite. And what type of challenges have you had during your ownership?
We've had floods. We've had mudslides. COVID was an issue as well. We had the last big one was the mudslide, where we had to close for 2 weeks because the road was closed for all that time. So, but we've always bounced back and hope to keep going strong for a long time.
What's the future of CARO-Mi?
I think just trying to keep the tradition going for all the, especially the longtime customers that have been coming and celebrating their special occasions.
Sure.
Here over the years. It's an honor to be part of those. Very fortunate.
They feel like family when you come in.
Yep.
So they know you. You know me. When I come in, when I call, you know me.
Yes.
So, well, thank you so much for having us. I'm so glad to be here. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed learning about Tryon, North Carolina, and CARO-Mi Dining Room. Make sure you join us next time, because who knows what we'll get into. This is LeAnne Carswell with the Expert Real Estate Team and American Dream TV. If you would like to help CARO-Mi rebuild or relocate, There's a GoFundMe page in the link below.